50 Days of Attempting to Change the World by Nima Radan Art.
Day 4. Global Happiness. Dear God, bless our world with happiness and peace. May all nations come together in harmony, spreading joy and love to one another. Amen. Today's motivation is ours for a happier world. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it's the courage to continue that counts. Today's decision is ours for a happier world. Reduce your use of single-use plastics by using reusable bags, water bottles, and utensils. For unity for a happier world. In unity, we find strength to overcome any obstacles that stand in the way of peace and equality. What is the purpose of our life? Life is a journey of discovery, where we learn, grow, and find meaning in our existence.
I believe that each of us can play a role in building a better world with our small and big decisions. I want to take this opportunity to remind others that we are all human and together we can make the world a better place. I want you to join me on this journey. Together we can make a difference. Sincerely, Nima.